actually use the paper. Normally I would cut my burgers in half. I'm gonna use the paper to help with the messiness. Oh, this beauty. Water. Where do I begin? So this is the, what do they call it? The classic top? No. The original topping or classic. I'll show everything after on the way out. Oh, look at that. It looks good. I don't know where to start. I'm going in. The flavors, like almost like the diner burger flavor. So good. Wow. Cheddar cheese. There's pickles. There's their TBS sauce. Sauce. Very good. So good. It's a good burger. The bacon is good quality bacon. It's a beef bacon, it's not pork bacon. Oh, good. My late night snack, guys. So you can do single. This is a single, smash or double. Woo! It's so good. Burger Shop on Queen Street West, 960 Queen Street, and Shop Street. Canadian burger. Made in Canada. I do, you know, there's Rudy's, Burger Shop for Canadian. There's Burger Drop. I've tried them. They're, I don't know what the hype is about, but they're good, but it's not like, wow. Oh, there's Alouette too. Alouette, and then Shake Shack for American Shake Shack, yeah. But I will always support the Canadian companies. So come over to Burger Shop for their burgers. They have chicken sandwiches too. I had that, so check out that other review for the chicken, crispy chicken burger or something like that. So. Take your bite. Yum. Well, no, I like the chicken. I like this as well. They're both good. They're both 5 out of 5. I made the review on my food channel, so it's doing. Yeah. Okay, so just want to say this is potato bun, so that's very good. So this is the mushroom smash. So there's the mushrooms are in here. Pickles and their special sauce, so I just wanted to explain that. That's all tasty and very good. It's messy, but messy is good, you know. This kind of messy is good. Okay, I'm back on just to show again. So this is the mushroom burger. That's what I had. Very good. And this is their jalapeno. And then they have fries with cheese and jalapeno. So here we are. Here's their menu. So I had the mushroom smash, just a single. So single is $10 or double is $14. Last time I tried their classic chicken, which is very good. They're both good. So That's very good. And then they have sides. Check out my main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C, for the unedited live replay last evening of spring late night walk.